What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 upgrades for an Axial Scx24. These upgrades will fit all of the Scx24s. 4 of them are going to be performance upgrades, and 1 of them is going to be scale upgrades. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first upgrade that needs to be done to any Axial Scx24 is the steering servo. Now, the stock steering servo has plastic gears, doesn't have a lot of power, and just overall isn't the greatest, and that servo saver on it doesn't help. So I got the Common Sense 65 mg metal gear servo. It's pretty fast, it's got plenty of torque, and it's just all around better for your truck. You can also get the Emax servo, or even Savox makes a small servo that fits in here. The next upgrade is the Hot Racing aluminum bodied shocks. Now, these shocks are full aluminum construction. They are not oil filled, but you can put grease in them. But these shocks are much better than the stock shocks. If you have an Scx24, you know that the suspension is quite bouncy. But if you put this on the ground, it doesn't bounce at all. So it's a much cleaner suspension. Upgrade number 3 is brass diff covers. Now, you can get these by a couple different companies. I have the Trial brass diff covers. I think Hot Racing also makes a set. The Trial ones are a little bit more heavy, but you want these brass diff covers because it adds a significant amount of weight down low. You can get them for the front and the rear. And the great thing about this is it lowers your center of gravity, which makes it better for climbing. It makes it better for side hilling. So it overall just gives you much more performance out of your Scx24. The next upgrade on this list, number 4, is the Hot Racing brass wheel hexes. Now, I'm going to try and point these out. You can kind of see the color of the brass right in there. But these are another brass component that helps lower your center of gravity. It's not as significant as the Trial diff covers, but it still helps out. One of the great benefits of these is it replaces the stock plastic hexes, which adds to durability. The 5th and final upgrade on our list of Scx24 upgrades is the RC 4-wheel drive inner fender wells and also their rock sliders. They go together. You can get these rock sliders for the Chevy C10 and the Jeep. I don't think you can get them for the Deadbolt, but don't quote me on that. And then you can get the rock sliders for the Chevy C10 and the Jeep as well. Now, the great thing with these is underneath, it seals up everything underneath your tires. And the great benefit of this is your body doesn't get caught up if you're like trying to crawl over shoes, and it overall just helps the truck slide over things better. It also looks much more scale, which is very nice as well. Anyway, guys, that is my list for the top 5 upgrades for an Axial Scx24. If there are any upgrades you think I should have included, please leave in a comment in the section down below. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for what videos you'd like to see next. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.